Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chef Mahesh from Radisson Blue Cavaliers from Goa and Health Chef of Fitter. Today we are going to be making a paneer quesadilla accompanied with guacamole, sour cream and Mexican salsa. This is one simple dish that you won't forget in a hurry. To prepare a paneer quesadilla, all you need like a wheat chapati bread. You can replace the wheat chapati with corn tortilla, which is available in the supermarket. And then you need a basil pesto. To prepare a basil pesto, you need a handful of basil and Parmesan cheese, garlic, pressed olive oil and cashew nut. In actual recipe, they use pine nuts, but very seldom to get pine nuts in India, so I replace with the cashew nut. So you have to combine all the ingredient in a blender and pulse it and make it a fine coarse paste. Let's prepare paneer stuffing for a quesadilla. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 10 gram of butter, half tablespoon of chopped garlic, just sweat the chopped garlic. I'm going to add onions. Keep sauteing it and make sure the garlic is not burnt. I'm going to add a julienne of peppers. It's a yellow pepper. Little bit of 1 tablespoon of red pepper, julienne pepper. It's a trio of peppers and little green pepper. You can call it even capsicum. Keep sauteing. I'm going to add 100 gram of paneer. 100 gram of paneer, you get around 18 gram of protein, and it has a good fat. And paneer is a high satiety food. The feeling of fullness you'll get when you consume the paneer. Keep sauteing it. I'm going to add 10 gram of salt, coriander powder, paprika powder. You can replace the paprika with the Kashmiri mirchi and little bit of cayenne pepper or your red chili powder also will do. Then cumin powder. Keep sauteing it. I'm going to use a sprig of cilantro, which is coriander leaf. I'm going to tare it. Just add it in the mixture. Coriander leaves or cilantro, which is one of the primary ingredients in Mexican cuisine. So I'm going to finish the dish by squeezing a lemon juice. Well seasoned paneer mixture for your quesadilla is ready. The next step in our preparation, brush our wheat chapati with a pesto. Make sure it's evenly spread on chapati bread. I'm going to add this paneer mixture. Mozzarella cheese. I'm going to spread on top of the quesadilla, that paneer mixture. Now fold the paneer mixture like a half moon. Make sure it is not overstuffed. Brush a butter on top of the chapati bread. Approximately around 5 gram of butter on chapati bread. It's all set to grill the paneer quesadilla. We'll show you how to grill the quesadilla, the stuffed quesadilla. Just gently apply butter on the tawa. You can gently place the paneer quesadilla. You can gently press it. What is going to happen here? The heat is going to warm the cheese so that cheese gets melt and hold it together along with the mixture and the quesadilla bread. I'm going to flip the quesadilla on the other side. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, sizzle the butter so that it give a glaze to the quesadilla. Also it get crispy on the outside. This is ready. I'm going to flip the quesadillas. Going to brush with a little bit of butter to give a glaze to the body. I'm going to show you how to prepare a guacamole. It is going to be accompaniment for paneer quesadilla. All you need a good quality of avocado. It should be creamy inside. And take a spoon, just scoop out. It's like a avocado ice cream. Avocado is a nutritional power bank. It has a good amount of vitamins and good fat, also good amount of dietary fiber. It's high satiety, you get a feeling of fullness when you eat avocado. You can add a little bit of lemon juice. Add seasoning, little bit of salt, black pepper powder. You can add tomatoes, onion, cilantro. It's one of the primary ingredients in Mexican and Indian cuisine. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. Going to enhance your guacamole. It's time to assemble the paneer quesadilla, and it's best to eat warm straight away from the pan. And quesadillas to accompany it with 1 tablespoon of guacamole, a little bit of sour cream, and Mexican salsa, and this is jalapeno. Without jalapeno, your Mexican dish will not be completed. And cilantro sprigs. I'm going to use sour cream, drizzled sour cream, and this is reduction of balsamic vinaigrette just to enhance the plating. Stunning paneer quesadilla accompanied with guacamole, sour cream, salsa, jalapeno, and cilantro sprigs. Bon appetit.